This is a Crypto Prophets. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. Alright guys, so now I needed you guys to observe something. Okay. Now yesterday was the 26th of February. And if you guys observed, despite Bitcoin dumping, if you guys observed something, did you notice that altcoins were not dumping like Bitcoin? Like, did you notice that there was no significant drop in altcoins? Rather, you saw altcoins pumping. Those altcoins that were not moving, they were not dropping, like Bitcoin dropped down to almost getting to $82,000. But you didn't see any significant drop in the price of altcoins. Majority of the altcoins were stable and most of them were pumping. Did you guys observe that? Except if you weren't observant. Now take a look at Litecoin, LTC. Can you see that LTC was showing it had a green candlestick yesterday despite the drop in Bitcoin? Litecoin had a pump. Look at this green candlestick. Despite all the dump of Bitcoin, yet Litecoin was still steady. Okay, and I called for this token in the channel. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at BCH. Now guys, if you guys observe, okay, majority of the altcoins, look at this, look at BCH. We had 3 candlesticks despite the drop in the price of Bitcoin. Now this, I'm just using BCH to represent most of the altcoins. If you check most of the charts of the altcoins, guys, you would see this similar pattern. You never saw any significant drop in the price. Now look at this candlestick was on the 25th. Okay, this was on the 25th and Bitcoin dropped below its price on the 25th. But yet, if you observe a lot of altcoins, they didn't drop below their prices on that 25th. On the 25th, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, guys, so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So guys, look at this. This is the chart of Bitcoin. This is on the 25th. Can you guys observe that on the 25th, Bitcoin was around 85k? But on the 26th, Bitcoin dropped below 85k. It dropped to around $82,000. So now let's take a look at some of the altcoins and see. Because you see, guys, I love to work with practicals. Okay? I work with examples and practicals. Look at this, guys. This is BCH. Now, BCH was around $275 on the 25th. And despite Bitcoin dropping and taking out its low on the 25th, on the 26th, you still saw that BCH didn't drop. It didn't have any significant drop to take out this low. But rather, you saw it pumping. And today, it is still pumping. Guys, there is something that is happening. You see, the Crypto Prophet, you know why I'm producing this video? I'm producing this video to stand as an evidence. Because mind you, I called these events days and weeks ago. Way before anybody on YouTube, anybody on Instagram spoke about these things. I began calling them and I was specific. I mentioned the dates. If you go watch my previous videos, I spoke about the 24th and I also spoke about now I don't really want to go far, okay, because it wouldn't be nice to be revealing some of these things, okay? Why these things are being revealed in my premium group. It wouldn't be nice for people to pay for this information and then I come out to the public and begin releasing this. No, it doesn't make sense, okay? So I will just hold my peace. Go watch my previous videos because I've been calling for these dates, okay? I mentioned dates. So there's a reason why this happened on the 26th, guys. There's a reason why. The premium members would understand better. So there's a reason why you see Bitcoin dropping and taking out its low on the 25th. It's low on the 25th. There's a reason why you see it taking out that low on the 26th, but yet you see altcoins, most of the altcoins, they aren't taking out their low on the 25th. Rather, you see them pumping even higher than they were on the 25th, meaning they are not even following Bitcoin right now. And you see some of them even pumping stronger. Guys, you see crypto is in levels. Like I always tell people, cryptocurrency is in levels. Cryptocurrency trading is in levels. Analysis is in levels. You need to understand when coins would follow Bitcoin. You need to understand when there would be a decoupling. You need to understand when the strength of coins would depend on the Bitcoin dominance. You need to understand when the strength of coins would depend on Bitcoin. You need to understand when there will be a decoupling between these these three factors. So this is where the professionalism comes in. And this is why I, the Crypto Prophet, I am a professional of professionals. I'm not just a professional, but I'm a professional of professionals. So I tell you exactly what is going to happen. Okay, so if you take a look at this chart right now, you would see that we've had 3 consecutive candlesticks. All of them just seem to be going up. Guys, listen, get into the crypto space. If you're not into the crypto space, ensure you are there, because it's really going to get very exciting. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. I want to share something with you all so that you can see something very unique, because I've spoken about this in my previous video. Go watch my previous video. So I just want to give you guys an update. So let's head on straight into the Bitcoin charts. Okay, this is the Bitcoin charts. Now, remember, the last video that I produced, I told you guys that I don't see Bitcoin, dropping. I don't see any significant drop in the price of Bitcoin. Highest, we are going to get a spike. That's what I told you guys, right? In my previous video. Go watch the last video I uploaded on YouTube. So now, guys, I want to give you guys this. I want to show you guys this chart, okay? This is a Bitcoin chart. Now, observe this orange line. Can you see that in the month of July, Bitcoin touched this orange line, had a pump, okay, had a recovery, dropped again, just had a huge wick below this orange line, but yet we still had a bounce. Can you see this? We still had a bounce up, okay, pumped again, had a rejection, dropped again, still touched this same orange line again. And then we had a pump and we were up to the races. Now, this happened in the month of September. Okay, so guys, right now, can you guys see that we have dropped and touched this orange line exactly? And you guys can see that Bitcoin has started recovering. We have the first green candlestick. So guys, this confirms with what I told you all. I said I don't see a significant drop like that in the price of Bitcoin, because if there was a really big significant drop, okay, we would have seen altcoins responding. But in this case, you didn't see altcoins responding. Rather, you saw altcoins pumping on the 26th as well. And that is for a reason. The premium members understand exactly what I'm talking about. So I won't really go into that. Like I told you guys, I said I would share testimonies with you. I will compile these testimonies and upload it in future for you all to see when I'm giving you a prophetic review of the past. Okay? Past prophecies of the crypto prophets and their fulfillments. You would see all these things. So this is why you need to connect with the crypto prophets, okay? So, guys, get into the markets. Let me just give you all this clue. I told you guys, I said we have entered into a bull run. A lot of people may have thought maybe I didn't know what I was talking about, or mostly for those of you that are new, those of you that don't really know me, the Crypto Prophet. But you see, the Crypto Prophet is hardly wrong in his predictions. I don't just even predict, I don't predict. I tell you the truth, I give you reality, okay, based on facts. So we've entered into a bull run. This drop in price of Bitcoin you saw was just a correction, okay? It was not a very serious correction. This is not a dump. This is not a bear market. This is a bull run, guys. We've entered into a bull run, and this is why you see altcoins not dropping like Bitcoin, despite the drop you saw. You didn't see altcoins dropping after 26th. There is a reason. There is a reason for that. Altcoins pumped on the 24th. You saw them pumping on the 26th, despite Bitcoin dropping. 26 was a very unique date. Despite the drop in price of Bitcoin, you still saw altcoins pumping. There is a reason, and I called that date. So guys, there is something coming. The only thing I will tell you, get into the crypto space. Get into the crypto space. Buy this dip, guys. Buy this dip. I repeat again, buy this dip. Something great is coming. And you guys are going to see it. You would remember that the Crypto Prophet has told you. I am seeing the dates. I am seeing the time. Send an email below. Check the description of this video below. tradingexploits@gmail.com. tradingexploits7@gmail.com. Send an email and the agents there would respond to you. You need to be in the channel of the Crypto Prophet, guys. This is really going to be very exciting. But have it in mind. Have this in mind. After this bull run is over. Did you hear what I said? After this bull run is over, the next move would be a massive dump. A massive dump. Did you hear what I said? Altcoins would drop significantly. It will affect the whole crypto space. You would see Bitcoin come, take out this line, drop to this level, even take it out. This is really going to cause a lot of pain in the markets. I'm telling you this. This is going to cause a lot of pain. So, be prepared. Be ready. You need people like the Crypto Prophets to give you direction. So before I end this video, guys, I would like to show you some other charts before I end this video. So let's take a look at some other charts. Bitcoin has bottomed though. I kept on telling you, I told you guys that even if Bitcoin has a drop, highest, we will just have a long week. And that's exactly what happened. We had a drop, but yet we just had a long week. Okay, now you can see that there's a whole lot of resistance at this point. This is the bottom of the market, guys. Any drop you just saw in Bitcoin was just a shakeout, just to scare people. Bitcoin wants to take out its all-time high. I've told you guys this. So be prepared. You would remember that the Crypto Prophet told you this. This is why you need to be in the channel of the Crypto Prophet. Listen, crypto trading is not about jumping here and there. It's not about noise. It's not about saying this and saying that, disturbing here and there. No. This has to do with 100% dedication, observation, consistency, and above all, professionalism. Okay? So, like I always told you, I told you from the onset, I told you that there is a move coming. We've entered into a bull run. This is exactly what is playing out, guys. Bitcoin has topped out. Guys, this does not look like this chart is going further any moments from now. This doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like it's pumping higher because there is a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance, just like you had a resistance here at this white line. Okay, if you observe, we only had weeks, but then boom, we had a significant drop, which led to Bitcoin taking out its previous all-time high. So there is a very high possibility that you see Bitcoin dropping from here and taking out its all-time high. Now, let me show you guys something very unique, okay? I need you guys to see this. Can you see this chart, guys? We are at the extreme. We've touched the extreme. Okay? And you can see that this blue line crossed this green line. Okay? The same thing that happened here. We had this blue line crossing this green line, and we had the red line on top. Now let's trace what happened. Now this happened at this point, and you all can see the significant drop that came after. We had a significant drop down. Okay, and now guys, we have the same scenario repeating itself here. We have this blue line crossing this green line, okay, and we have this red line on top of here. So what does this mean? This means that this red line is going to come down, and this blue line would cross and start coming down below this green line. And guys, when this happens, you will see Bitcoin pumping like mad. And when Bitcoin pumps like mad, you would see the whole crypto space entering into a frenzy. So guys, the whole crypto space would enter into a frenzy. So this is what I'm telling you all. You need to be prepared. You need to be prepared, because we're going to have a very strong pump very soon. Don't forget, the Crypto Prophet, I have called this. I started calling this a long time ago, mentioning the dates. I'm seeing the dates already. I'm seeing the dates, but have this in mind. As many of you following the Crypto Prophets, have this in mind. The month of March would put money in your hands. If you follow what the Crypto Prophet has told you, the month of March will put money in your hands if you follow what the Crypto Prophet has told you. But if you're not careful, after it puts this money in your hands, you need to follow the Crypto Prophet, because it would come and still take this money out of your hands. And once that happens, it will be very disastrous. I've told you guys, there is a drop coming. There's a strong bear market coming. See guys, this is more or less, to me, this is more or less the last opportunity for you to make money from the crypto space for the time being. Because the next move coming is a strong dump. That dump will be disastrous. You see all these little drops since the month of December. That has just been, for me, that's a joke. That's a child's play. That's a joke. The next drop will be more disastrous. So you guys need to be prepared. You need to follow the Crypto Prophets. So guys, this is the update I have for you all. Enjoy the bull run. Enjoy the altcoin season. It's already here. We are in it. A lot of coins to trade, a lot of coins to invest into. But don't forget, after this, there is a strong bear market, similar to 2022, if not worse than 2022. Do not get caught up in that trap. Don't get caught up in that bear market. Connect with the Crypto Prophet to get direction. I am the Crypto Prophet. See you in my next video. God bless you all. Send an email below, tradingexploit7@gmail.com, and get into the family of the Crypto Prophets. See you there. Take care.